Alright guys, let's meet the next NFT. Open your deploy.js, copy everything here and paste it inside your mint.js. Now get rid of everything inside the scope of this function. Alright, to interact with a smart contract that's been deployed on the blockchain, you need three things: contract address, you need a contract address, ABI, and the provider. ABI and a provider. If you have these three things, you can interact with any smart contract. And for me, my contract address, I saved my contract address in my .env file. You know what? I'll just keep this clean. Here's the proper way to name a variable. So for the ABI, you can find your ABI in your artifact folder. There's a JSON file in your artifact folder. It contains your ABI, so we'll fetch our ABI from it. Artifact, contract, lucidhero.so, and lucidheroes.json. Alright, ABI. The ABI will be the JSON file. This is not how to spell JSON. ABI is from the JSON file .json.abi. And then my provider is from Infura. New HRE dot e dash dot providers dot Infura provider. And it takes in the network. I'm on Gorelli because I deployed to Gorelli. And what else? It takes an API key. You can find my API key in my .env. I saved this as URI key. So let's fetch it. process.env.uri key. Alright, now that you have these three things, let's get the wallet. Let's create the wallet. Wallet. Make this a variable. Equals new HRE dot e dash dot wallet. Then the wallet takes a private key. Process dot env dot private key and a provider too, so pass in your provider. Alright, and the last thing we need is a signer. So my signer is my account with a provider. Sorry, wallet.connect. Then pass in your provider. Good. Now that we have this data ready, we can start interacting with the smart contract. Let's do this. Const lucid heroes equals new hre dot ethers dot contract. Then pass in your argument, the three arguments we talked about, the address, which is my contract address, the ABI, and your provider using my signer. Good. Then let's invoke a function to mint token. Lucid heroes dot mint token. Here I'll pass in my URI. Then await that. If it's successful, console.log minted successfully. Alright, then if it's not successful, this main will catch the error and console.log the error. So save this and let me grab my URI. Alright, I'll grab my URI for the teamsong.json, copy the address, paste it here, and save. Let's cross check everything one more time before we run this script. We have our contract address at ABI, provider, no typos, and we can do this. We're good to go. npx hardhat run script mint.js -- network Goeli. Enter. Minted successfully. Alright, let's go there. Let's run this. Okay, now that we've deployed our two NFTs to the blockchain and we're done writing code, this is the end of the coding section. Let's check our stuff out on OpenSea.